Hello everyone. Today we are going to review about what can you do. Okay, let's go. What can you do? Sing a song. Sing a song. I can sing a song. I can sing a song. Okay, next. What can you do? Climb a tree. Climb a tree. I can climb a tree. I can climb a tree. Yes, very good. What can you do? A ball. Catch a ball. I can catch a ball. I can catch a ball. What can you do? A kite. A kite. Fly a kite. I can fly a kite. I can fly a kite. Okay, the last. What can you do? A car. Drive a car. Drive a car. I can drive a car. I can drive a car. Okay, I can't drive a car. Can you drive a car? Okay, goodbye. See you next time.